users at the moment. We call it Kiera Basic. And with your enrollment, you get an account in the front office. Okay? And this account has many features. I'm going to go through it real quick because I don't know how much you guys have been using it and so forth. But let's just go through. The first tool that we use is called Lead Generator. Okay? There's no magic here, people. I don't have a wand it doesn't create leads for you. Okay? And Peter doesn't flood it with hundreds of leads for you. Okay? The idea is that these tools allow you to go and put lead communication, survey forms, lead request forms, website that allows you to do partnerships, put them all over the web, put them on your blogs, put them on your MySpace, send out emails with links to pages. It allows you to disseminate the information all over the internet and deliver that information. Okay? Just remember that. You still get the leads, you still create lead generation opportunities. Okay? So this first screen that we're on here, this has leads, your calendar of events for the day. Okay? Who here uses app? 2 people. How about Salesforce? Okay. I was the third person to start Salesforce in the garage with some friends up in San Francisco. You have a Salesforce application as one little piece of this entire application. Okay? So we have 2 people that use Act, one that looks like he uses Salesforce. You guys don't use a lead management or contact management system. You use paper. I know. Okay? You don't have a lead management or contact management application. Maybe some of you use your Outlook and so forth. But here's the deal. Everything that has to do with Kiera Business gets done in Kiera Front Office. Don't put this in your Outlook. Don't do this through your other systems with your other job and your other businesses. Everything that has to do with Kiera Business gets done in the Kiera Front Office. Okay? So, I'm going to add a lead real quick. Dave Sanger. I don't know Dave, but hope he's a better person when I'm done. Okay, I'm adding an email. And a lead, add lead. Okay, right here we see Dave. He was just added. I'm going to click on Dave, and I go into his lead details screen. Okay? Guess what, guys? I just had Peter talk to my mom. Peter just talked to my mom. Does everybody understand that? All I did was fill in 3 lines of information. An email already went to my mother with an introduction to Bob. Okay? You didn't write it. Okay? You don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. We took Peter's word for it. He sold these products. We took the care of people who have built this in the marketing team. It just communicated. Okay? So if I stop right there and leave, is that enough for you guys? Wow. I mean, think about what I'm saying. It already sent out communication to people to buy your product on your back office. Okay? So, that was not my fault. Okay. Not my fault. So, I had a note, okay? We all just say we don't use Salesforce, but we have a lead. Unfortunately, I know what you guys do. If I go grab one of these guys, open up their wallets, they'll have 20 little pieces of ripped up, torn paper, things written on the back of cards, all their people's information. All right, women come home from the grocery store, and the back of the receipt has, Amy, Men's Safeway, remember me from Kids Gymnastics class, needs energy. Okay, so we know that's how we do it. All right, guys, I beg you, I plead, I will do anything. Please put your information in the system. Okay, just guys. Your leads are falling through your fingers. Okay? The real interested people, the prospects, we can't just focus on the people we know, our family and friends. The people that need Vibe are falling through our fingers. At least give it a chance. Give them a chance of getting the product. They're not going to have a chance if you're writing little notes down or trying to remember phone numbers or whatever the case may be. I'm sure you could all tell me some interesting techniques. Okay? You need to put them in the system. So, I met Dave, and I'm going to have a call with Dave. Call to discuss opportunity has been with other Okay, so I'm just going to add this note real quick, and I'm going to say that my call is with Dave at 9 a.m., and my call is on the 12th. Okay, I click the 12th. Okay, just going to click the 12th again. I click the 12th again. Yes!
So you do it 3 times.
Third time. Okay, so I have a call with Dave on the 12th at 9 a.m. I'm going to show that note on the calendar, and I'm also going to click here. I can send myself a reminder. Okay, so who wants to get an email that says, hey, you have a call with Dave, here's Dave's information, call him tomorrow? We all do, right? We're organized, we're trying to keep up with today's fast-paced life. We all do. I'm going to click add note, cross my fingers. Awesome. Okay, so I just added a note to my calendar. I'm building a database of this prospect. Okay? Now, let's say that I want to, first of all, every email, this is a big deal. Okay? Every email that comes out of this application will tell you when it was opened. Why is that important?
When they read it.
What's going on, right? I mean, talk about Big Brother. We can turn around and say, hey, how you doing? You know they just opened it and they're reading it. Right? I was just thinking about you. Oh, that's weird. They just opened that email you sent. Oh, really? Awesome. Let's go. Awesome. So, okay.
Does the person opening the email see that an autoresponder is being sent back?
No. No. There's a little mechanism in there that when they open it, sends back to the system and then puts it in here as open with the time and date stamp. Okay? The other thing you could do here is quick messaging. Alright? So I want to send this person an email. Let's say the only emails that I have that have been shared with me are called interested in opportunity. I can click send and that person will get that email. Okay? That email will have my signature, my homepage link, my email link, my buy now link, and my enroll link automatically in it. Everything goes to your back office. Okay? So while I go through the system, remember this. Every piece of it works with itself. Okay? So none of the pieces, they're all coordinated with themselves. Okay? You'll understand that as we go on. Alright? Now, say I want to do a quick message. Forget about the message that I have in there, and I want to say, hey, looking forward to our call tomorrow. Boom, boom, boom. I'm just going to, for time's sake, because Noreen's already kind of on my case about my time flow. Feel it. Okay, so I just added a note. Okay, let me go back. I just sent an email.